Good day, folks. 7 First Alert meteorologist Keenan Smith. As we take a look outside, we had snow move through during the overnight hours. Here's a look at that system as it swings across the southern Great Lakes. It's moving away from us. It laid down a couple of inches of snow, and although we'll see some sunshine today, the snow is back by tonight. So look for a mix of sun and clouds as we move on throughout the day. High temperatures in the low 20s. This takes you into the afternoon. Still quiet, and the roads on the way home will be a lot better than on the way to work. But look at how the clouds thicken back up again, and after midnight, here comes snow. This is 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. More widespread light snow. We'll pick up a couple of inches of snow overnight and then some snow early on Wednesday. So how much snow are we expecting? Generally, about 1 to 3 inches of snow starting after midnight, wrapping up Wednesday morning. You can see there's about 2 to 3 inches of snow laid out between overnight tonight and the first half of the day Wednesday. Then more snow to end the work week Friday. Today look for high near 24 degrees, seasonably cold, partly sunny skies. Tonight temperatures will dip back down to 17 degrees. Cloudy skies, snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches. Tomorrow look for a high that'll peak near 26 degrees with that snow. Thursday 24 degrees. We're looking at temps in the 20s into the weekend. Another batch of snow Friday into Saturday. I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Keenan Smith.